Welcome to Mystic Mountain Bike Park, where thrill seekers flock from far and wide. With over 50 kilometres of trail from downhill to flow and techie cross country. Come see for yourself what makes Mystic the ultimate dirt chapel. And when you're not on the trails, the vibing town of Bright is just a hug away. Choose your poison from its pubs and bars, cafes, gourmet fooderies and awesome shops. Or just park up and unwind by the river. Yes, all that on 2 wheels. It's one pretty special what dreams are made of package. No matter where you're staying in Bright, it won't take you long to get to the trailhead, which is just 2 kilometres from the town centre. If you haven't already heard, Mystic is one of the most diverse mountain bike parks in the country. From beginner-friendly flowy green trails to techie and gnarly blue and black trails, Mystic will show any level of rider a good time. Oh, and try and keep your eyes on the line, because these mountain views can get pretty distracting. Before you come, make sure to purchase a membership pass from Mystic's website, as this bike park is on private land. The money raised from memberships goes directly towards park maintenance and building new trails, making Mystic one of the sweetest shreds in all of Australia. Membership options include 1-day, multi-day or annual passes, and there are family options too. If you're not looking to pay for next level trails, don't worry, we've got you covered. Bright and surrounds have some great cross-country trails which are free to ride. Big Hill Mountain Bike Park in Mount Beauty is an awesome community-maintained park located 40 minutes from Bright. And there are some stunning alpine trails at Dinner Plain and Falls Creek. For those who love the downhills without cranking up the climbs, shuttles run most days of the week and can be booked in advance. While you're here, don't forget to drop into one of our bike shops for a bit of local knowledge, trail maps, new gear, bike hire, servicing or even a guided tour. Got you frothing? Grab your wheels and come shred the tread-worthy trails of Mystic Mountain Bike Park and Brighton surrounds for yourself. Book your stay today for a ride you'll never forget. For all the details, visit the Mystic website at mysticpark.org.au.